In July 2023, a family in Oregon checked their doorbell camera and saw something terrifying. At 3:17 a.m., the camera captured a man standing motionless at their doorstep, not moving, not blinking, for exactly 22 minutes. Then suddenly, he turned toward the camera. But here's the twist. He had no face. Police were called, and they reviewed the footage from the cloud. The man was gone. The timestamp was still there, but the video, blank, corrupted. Neighbors swear they saw something watching from the trees that night. But the scariest part? The family moved out a week later because the doorbell keeps ringing every night at 3:17 a.m.